Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about solar system. So let's start from the space. Space. When you look into the blackness of the night sky, you are peering into the fathomless depths of the universe. Stars, planets, and galaxies stretch into space not just further than you can see, but further than you can imagine. The universe. The universe is a whole of existences. It's all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. The universe is so vast as to be unimaginable, but we do know that it's steadily expanding following its beginning 13.8 billion years ago, an explosive event called the Big Bang. Big Bang. About 14 billion years ago, the universe materialized out of nothing for unknown reasons. Infinitely smaller than an atom to begin with, the universe expanded to 1 trillion kilometers across in under a second, an event called the Big Bang. The Milky Way Galaxy. Our sun belongs to a giant whirlpool of stars called the Milky Way. Huge collection of stars are called galaxies, and like all the galaxies, the Milky Way is an unimaginably vast. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes. Some are spirals like our own galaxy, but others are fuzzy balls or shapeless clouds. The smallest have just few million stars. The largest contains trillions. The Milky Way is a large, barred, spiral galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of the light in the sky when you see it in a really dark area, the naked eye. The Sun. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star, a hot ball of glowing gases at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together, keeping everything from the biggest planet to the smallest particles of debris in its orbit. The Sun. Age 4.6 billion years. Type yellow dwarf. Diameter 1,392,684 km. Equatorial 4,370,005.6 km. Mass 1.99 into 10 raised to 30 kg. 333,060 Earths. Core temperature 13,599,726 degrees Celsius. Surface temperature 5,500 degrees Celsius. The sunlight reaches the Earth in 8.3 minutes. 149.6 million kilometers, the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. Corona, prominence, convection zone, radiation zone, core, photosphere, chromosphere. The mass of the Sun takes a 99.86% weight of the solar system. So the gases present in the Sun are hydrogen 74%, helium 24%, carbon 1.5%, other 0.1%. So finally, we are coming to the solar system. The solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and smaller solar system bodies. The solar system's planets form 2 groups. There are 4 small inner planets made of rock and metal and 4 giants. Outer planet made in gas and liquid. Between the two is a belt of rocky bodies called asteroid, and beyond the planet is a zone of icy bodies including dwarf planets and comets. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all planets in the solar system. It is named after the Greek god Hermes, translated into Latin Mercury, god of commerce, messenger of God, mediator between gods and mortals. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Distance from the Sun 57,910,000 km. Radius 2,440 km. Surface area 74,800,000 square km. Day length 58 days, 15 hours and 30 minutes. Orbital period 88 days. Surface temperature minus 180 degrees Celsius to 430 degrees Celsius. Moons 0. Crust 100 to 200 km thick. Mantle 600 km thick. Core 1.800 km radius. North cusp, south cusp. Planetary ions. Mercury has cometary tail. It has a length of 2 million kilometers. Mercury least studied of the terrestrial planets. Atmosphere of Mercury composition: oxygen 42%, sodium 29%, hydrogen 22%, helium 6%, potassium 0.5%, others 0.5%. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It's named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, as the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Venus can cast shadows and can be, on rare occasions, visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Venus. Sun on Venus rises in the west and sets in the east. Distance from the Sun 108,200,000 km. Radius 6,052 km. Surface area 460,200,000 square km. Day length 116 days, 18 hours and 0 minutes. Orbital period 224.7 days. Surface temperature 460 degrees Celsius. Moons 0. Crust 50 km thick. Mantle 3,000 km thick. Core. Near the surface edge of the planet was 6 American spacecraft and 18 Soviet. On Venus, it rains sulfuric acid. Atmosphere of the Venus composition: carbon dioxide 96.5%, Nitrogen 3.5%. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life, according to radiometric dating, estimation, and other evidence. Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. The Earth. Radius 6,371 km. Surface area 510 million square kilometer. Day length 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Moons. 1. The Moon. Orbit period 365.26 days. Core temperature 5500 degrees Celsius. Surface temperature -88 degrees Celsius to 58 degrees Celsius. Crust 0 to 35 km. Upper mantle 35 to 60 km. Mantle 60 to 2890 km. Outer core 2890 to 5150 km. Inner core 5150 to 6360 km. 384,467 km. The average distance between the centers of Earth and Moon. Water covers 70% of Earth's surface. Only 3% fresh water and 97% salted. Atmosphere of Earth composition. Iron 32.1%, oxygen 30.1%, silicon 15.1%, and magnesium 13.9%. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being only larger than Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred as the Red Planet. Mars is a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars. Distance from the Sun 227,900,000 km. Radius 3,390 km. Surface area 144,800,000 square km. Day length 1 day 0 hours and 45 minutes. Orbital period 687 days. Surface temperature -125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Moons 2. Crust, mantle, outer core. There have been 39 missions to Mars, but only 16 have made it. There are signs of liquid water on Mars. Mars has seasons like Earth, but they last twice as long. Mars has no magnetic field. Atmosphere of Mars composition. Carbon dioxide 95%, nitrogen 3%, argon 1.6%. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is gas giant with a mass 1000 that of Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter's familiar stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Distance from the Sun 778,500,000 km. Radius 69,911 km. Surface area 6.142 E10 square kilometer. Day length 0 day 9 hour 56 minute. Orbital period 12 years. Surface ice temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Core temperature 35,700 degrees Celsius. Moons 82. Atmosphere 21,000 km. Molecular hydrogen and helium. Mantle 30,000 to 50,000 km. Liquid metallic hydrogen and helium. Core 20,000 km diameter dense hard rock. Solar storms cause huge auroras on Jupiter. Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This is a giant storm or cyclone that has lasted for over 300 years. Atmosphere of Jupiter. Composition: hydrogen 90%, helium 10%. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of 9 times of Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and the lightest in the solar system. Distance from the Sun 1.429 E9 km. Radius 58,232 km. Surface area 4.27 E10 square kilometer. Day length 0 days 10 hours and 42 minutes. Orbital period 29 years. Core temperature 11,700 degrees Celsius. Moons 62. Gaseous atmosphere. Molecular hydrogen. Metallic hydrogen. Ice. Rock. Saturn rings consists of ice cubes. Saturn radiates heat into the space 2 times more than it receives from the Sun. More than 40% of the satellites of the solar system revolve around Saturn. Composition of Moon. Molecular hydrogen 96.3%, helium 3.25%, others 0.45%. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of sky, Uranus, who according to Greek mythology was the grandfather of Zeus and father of Cronus. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus. Uranus, the coldest planet in the solar system. Distance from the Sun 2.877 E9 km. Radius 25,362 km. Surface area 8.83 E9 square kilometer. Day length 0 days, 17 hours and 14 minutes. Orbital period 84 years. Surface temperature minus 224 degrees Celsius. Moons 27. Sun on Uranus rises in the west and sets in the east. Outer atmosphere, the upper cloud layer. Atmosphere 8,000 km. Mantle, core. Atmosphere of Uranus composition: hydrogen 83%, helium 15%, methane 2%. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest non-planet from the Sun. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of the Earth, slightly more massive than its near twin, Uranus. Neptune. Neptune has rings, but they are very dark and their structure is unknown. Distance from the Sun 4.494 U9 km. Radius 1737 km. Surface area 7.618 E9 square km. Day length 0 days, 16 hours, 6 minutes. Orbital period 165 years. Surface temperature minus 231 degrees Celsius. Moons 14. Planet never able to see with the naked eye. Outer atmosphere, cloud tops. Atmosphere, mantle, core. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system. Neptune's great dark spot, this is an anticyclone storm. Atmosphere of the Neptune composition: hydrogen 80%, helium 19%, methane 1.5%. Moon. The Moon is an astronomical body orbiting Earth and is the planet's only natural satellite. It's the fifth largest satellite in the solar system and by far the largest among planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet that it orbits. Earth's moon is the only place beyond the Earth where humans have set foot. The Moon. Distance from the Earth 384,400 km. Radius 1737 km. Surface area 37,960,000 square km. Day length 29 days, 12 hours and 44 minutes. Orbital period 27.3 days. Surface temperature minus 169 degrees Celsius to 122 degrees Celsius. Revolve around the Earth. Crust 60 kilometers thick. Upper mantle, lower mantle. 1000 kilometers thick. Core 750 kilometer radius. The Moon is moving approximately 3.8 centimeter away from our planet every year. In the entire history of mankind, Moon have been visited only 12 peoples. Composition of Moon: oxygen 60%, silicon 16.5%, iron 3.5%, magnesium 3.5%, titanium 1%. Phase of the Moon: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent, and the new moon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. Stay home, stay safe.